Sangvi has a question, sir.
Yeah, my question is for Yogendra Yadav. Yogendra, I don't know how well you can hear me, but my question to you is not as a politician today, but in wearing your other hat as one of India's foremost political scientists. Look at the situation that prevails in Delhi after the election. You have the BJP short of a majority. You have your party, the Aam Aadmi Party, saying we will not support anybody. The Congress not in a position to support anybody. Certainly not in a position to support the BJP given public opinion. What happens next? What kind of government, as a political scientist, do you see Delhi happening? What's the next step?
In terms of government formation, this looks like a pretty tough scenario.
Right.
Because unless the BJP were to get the additional numbers, right now I don't quite know what the final numbers are. I thought it's 32 for the BJP,
That's
one
correct.
for Shiromani Akali Dal, and you have 2 additional others. That makes it 35. That still doesn't make it 36, and BJP needs 36. Any party would need at least 36. So that makes it very, very tough. There is a situation of political transition, and there is some uncertainty here. But to my mind, the uncertainty, that the technical and legislative uncertainty that it produces is less important. I would wish to put in perspective of the larger political opening that it offers. As I speak to you, there are thousands of people gathered on this road, thousands of people with topis, all these volunteers, and I can tell you not one of them is worried about 27 seats. Not one of them is asking how will we form government, because every one of them knows we are not here for government formation.
Okay.
So yes, there would be some political difficulties, but I think we are looking at a larger political opening here.